welcome back to my Taglish channel. Hi guys, how are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, I will test drive my Xiaomi Mi electric scooter Pro 2 around Clark Parade Grounds in Clark, Freeport, Pampanga. So guys, hold tight, broom broom broom, are you ready? What are we waiting for? Happy watching! Now I'm riding my Xiaomi Mi electric scooter Pro 2.
Okay, so turn right. Oh. It's locked off as well.
This scooter have a 25 km per hour, the maximum speed. For each mode, there's a 3 modes. The pedestrian mode, which is 5 km per hour. Distance is 20 km per hour. And the last but not the least is sports mode, which is 25 km per hour. Now I am using distance mode, which is 20 km per hour, and I will shift to sports modes.
And then cruise control.
What is cruise control? Cruise control can be a great benefit on long rides, especially on a straight line ride. Instead of having to press the acceleration button all the time, the cruise control will be the one who will manage your speed on the road.
Yeah, keep going.
Long range battery is 45 km. The max load of the scooter is 100 kg. The weight is 14.2 kg. Charging time is 8 to 9 hours. The battery weight is 3 kg. Xiaomi Mi electric scooter have a manage via smart app. Second is multifunction control panel. Third is electric brake and disc brake. Fourth is shock absorbing inflatable tires. And last but not the least, the aviation aluminum alloy frame. That's how I test drive my Xiaomi Mi electric scooter for today's video in Clark Parade Grounds in Clark, Freeport, Pampanga. I hope you enjoy watching and you learned something today. Plus, you had fun today. I will put the Xiaomi Mi electric scooter Pro 2, the basic specs in my description box down below, and you can check them out. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for supporting my videos. The scooter is very convenient, it's very useful. Hindi ako naplatan, hindi ako nakabangga, at hindi ako sumemplang. So guys, thank you very much. And yun na nga, maganda yung battery. There's also a 3 modes and the maximum speed is 25 kilometers per hour. The range is 45 kilometers and yung battery niya matagal siya and the charging time is also 8 to 9 hours yung charging time. So guys, yung disadvantage lang nito, kapag nag-travel kami domestic or international, hindi namin siya madadala kasi yung battery, yung policy of each airline is not applicable na mag-check-in ka o mag-hand carry ka ng 3 kilograms ng battery. It's massive. The battery is also massive and hindi talaga siya papayagan. So, maiwan siya sa Philippines. Hindi namin siya madadala kung kami magdo-domestic or international. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for supporting my videos and mega love shoutout to each one of you who are watching now. Thank you from the bottom of my heart po. Talamus, please like if you did enjoy my video today and please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and ciao lang.